Okay, now starting, it says that at a certain automobile dealership that sells only Tejimas and Franks, the number of the non-hybrid Tejimas is 35 less than three times the number of hybrid Tejimas. 205 total Tejimas are currently owned by the dealership. If the ratio of the hybrid Tejimas and non-hybrid Franks is 5:4, and there are 280 total automobiles owned by the dealership, how many hybrid Franks are there? Now, what can be concluded? There are two types of automobile, right? There are Tajimas and Franks, right? So there are Tajimas and Franks, and under this there are two categories of the vehicles. That is, one is hybrid and non-hybrid, right? Hybrid and non-hybrid. Similarly, Franks, there are hybrid and non-hybrid. Now, how can we understand this? Let's say hybrid Tejimas are X and non-hybrid Tejimas are Y. Similarly, hybrid Franks are, let's say, A and non-hybrid Franks are B. Okay, in the terms of X, Y, and A and B. Now, according to question, non-hybrid Tejimas, can we say Y is actually 35 less than three times hybrid Tejimas? Hybrid Tejimas, that is X, that means 3 times of X minus 35. Y should be 3X minus 35, right? It says that it is 3 times hybrid Tejimas and 35 has to be subtracted. So this is equation 1. Now it says total 205 Tejimas are there. If total 205, that means X plus Y, X hybrid and Y non-hybrid. So X plus Y total Tejimas are going to be 205. So you can easily substitute Y as 3X minus 35 in the equation 2. So if X plus substituting Y as 3X minus 35 is equal to 205. Solving it, this is 4X is equal to 35 goes to the right hand side. So it will be 240. 205 plus 35, that is 240. That means X is how much? X is going to be 240 divided by 4, that is 60. Got this? Now, if X is 60, how much is Y? Y will be, can we say that Y substituting X as 60? So that means Y is 3 times of 60, that is 180 minus 35. Got this? That is going to be 145. So we got the value of X as well as of Y for the Tejimas, right? We understood that Tejimas hybrid and non-hybrid. Similarly, hybrid and non-hybrid of Franks are to be now calculated. So we got the value of X and Y respectively for the Tejimas. Now, moving to the next part of the question, it says that the hybrid, let's understand now, the ratio of hybrid Tejimas, that is X over to non-hybrid Franks, non-hybrid, that is B, non-hybrid Franks, that is B. This ratio is given as 5:4. Now solving this, how much is X? You already know that is 60. So 60 here in X divided by B is equal to 5/4. 5 cancels from both the sides. So this is going to be 12. That means B is how much? B comes out to be 4 times 12, that is 48. So we got the value of B as well now. Now, total number of vehicles, that means total number of cars which are available there, that is X plus Y plus A plus B. X plus Y plus A plus B. This total number, that is 280. That is 280. And we know that X plus Y, how much is X plus Y? That is 205. Yes or no? Plus, we already know the value of B, that is 48, plus A plus 48 is equal to 280. Solving this, A will be nothing else but 280 minus 205 minus 48. That is going to be your answer, which is coming out to be 27. That is the correct answer. A was required. How many hybrid francs? Hybrid francs, that is A was required in the question, and A is 27. Option B is the correct answer here.